Semen retention. What is semen retention? First of all, we need to understand what is semen retention so that we can attack the problem effectively. So, semen retention is basically abstinence, depriving yourself from either sex or fapping, masturbation. Okay? So, for why doing semen retention? Because a lot of people have this misunderstanding of semen retention. So, semen retention, let me tell you, there is so much nutrient in the sperm, which means if you don't give out this semen, your body absorbs it, which means, don't forget, semen is a life force, so which means you get stronger. So the more semen you accumulate, you build it up, and the more energized you will be. Testosterone, you're gonna build more muscle, easily staying ripped all year long. So it's really important because if you think about it, God is the first one who recommends man to do semen retention. You either do semen retention or you get married. You don't go to hoes, you don't masturbate, fapping, you don't do all this shit. You just do semen retention. Why? Because if you understand this, and God was right, and He's always right, of course. If you understand this, the moment a man give himself to the pleasure, to the desire, he loses control of his life. Why? Because desire on an energy level, on an energy scale, is at the lowest. There's desire, guilt, shame, all this, low energy, always at the lowest. So, once you deprive yourself and you have the self-discipline, the sexual self-discipline, and let me tell you, a man who can control his anger, his sexual desire, and what he put in his mouth, dangerous man. Dangerous man. You have the cocktail of a strong man. So, for who is this semen retention? Semen retention is for not everyone. It's for the people, the man who wants to be the best in life, who aim for the highest, who aim for the best of this life, for the greatness. So that's why it's not for everyone. Okay? It's not for everyone, semen, because it requires a lot of discipline to do semen retention. So that's why you need to understand and know yourself and wonder if you want to be the great, if you want to be the best of the best in any field. In any field. If you want to be the best, you have to do semen at some point, semen retention at some point, because you have to, be disciplined. That's why fighters, before a fight, don't ejaculate, because they want to keep this power inside and this frustration and put it into a mission. Okay? So, how can you do semen retention properly? The way to do semen retention properly is this way. Because a lot of people just wait. They just wait and then count the day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, it's not like this. If you accumulate energy, that means you have energy. You need to expend this energy on the things that makes your life better. Which means, for example, just a few examples, the gym. Put this energy that you have, this ball of anger, of frustration that you have, into the gym. Okay? You work hard. You work as hard as possible. Okay? You have also mission. So you have the gym and you have your mission in life. You want to be an artist, you want to be an athlete, you want to be a businessman, you want to be whatever you want. You want to be whatever you want. So, just put this into your mission. Mission first, and mission first. And once you understand this, you understand that semen retention is just a magic tool for you to be faster than everyone. Faster than the lowest. And of course, you're gonna win like this. So, quick quick video, guys. Hope you love it. Like, subscribe, comment, and we get this.